Do you know that typical OEE is considered to be around 60%? It means they still have room for improved their performance and increase revenue. OEE, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness, is the gold standard for measuring manufacturing productivity, most often contributing to strategic goals of improving quality, decreasing costs, and enhancing productivity. Increases OEE performance can result in increases in revenue. For example, if a middle-sized factory with total capacity around 6 million per year could improve OEE performance by 19%, its gross revenue would increase by 1.14 million. So, how can we improve OEE performance? OEE consists of three loss factors: machine availability, machine performance, and quality rate. Machine availability has tendency to have the highest loss than other factors. Fortunately, the loss can be eliminated by an ineffective maintenance, which is TPM, or Total Productive Maintenance. TPM is a maintenance philosophy that maximizes equipment effectiveness through the active involvement by everyone in facility. As a result, the factory could increase OEE performance from 58.7% to 70% in only 1 year, or by 19% of total capacity. This makes TPM worth an investment. Factorium CMMS is a maintenance management system developed on the foundation of TPM. Imagine that your engineers can work on their mobile phones, from assigning jobs, requesting spare parts, evaluating tasks, to looking up historical machine data. Your production line staff also have involvement by doing autonomous maintenance, which is assigned and done through the app. TPM becomes easier for everyone. At the same time, plant managers can track all workflows, knowing what's going on in their plant in real time. Apart from that, they can give a comment or suggestion to their staff through the app. More importantly, Factorium CMMS also provides an analytic dashboard for plant managers to control costs, reduce risks, and increase maintenance performance. Other KPIs such as MTTR and MTBF are also available in dashboard when PM or preventive maintenance is done on schedule, as Factorium has a reminder for that. As a result, this leads to zero breakdown and zero waste. Furthermore, you can keep a work record with a photo and video attached for precise database. These can be done in only one app and nothing else. Are you ready to standardize OEE and increase gross profit by 19%? Let's find out how Factorium CMMS can effectively streamline maintenance, increase machine availability, reduce downtime, as well as connect all stakeholders in organization.